Okay, let's proceed to the next lecture, which is lecture 6, our revision on the chapter, lecture 6, a revision on the chapter 3. Okay, so this one consists of two parts. Okay, binomial distribution and Poisson distribution. Okay, saya akan bagi slide. Okay, slide for chapter 1, chapter 2 and chapter 3. Okay, saya akan bagi. Okay, binomial distribution, Poisson distribution. So you need to understand when you want to solve binomial and when you want to solve Poisson distribution. Okay, so what is learning objective for this one? Of course lah, when we talk about binomial, you need to understand how to construct binomial probability distribution and then how to construct Poisson probability distribution, and also how to find mean, variance and standard deviation for each of the binomial probability distribution and Poisson probability distribution. Okay, let's proceed to the first one. It's a binomial probability distribution. When we talk about bi is 2. Okay, so for binomial, you need to understand it must have two possible outcome only. Okay, which is whether it is success or failure. Okay, success means that success for the question, failure for the question needed. Okay, bukannya sukses berjaya, kejayaan tu. Okay, so you need to understand binomial, it is have several number of time. Okay, dia akan ada value of n. Okay, and then dia hanya ada two outcome only, which is probability of success, probability of failure. Okay, dia tak boleh ada banyak outcome. Okay, so bila you read the question, you need to identify that one is binomial or Poisson. Kalau random tak ada masalah. Random biasanya kita boleh nampak terus. Okay, dia, it is given in terms of table ataupun equation. Okay, kalau binomial and Poisson, we are given in terms of one paragraph. So you need to understand. Okay, if the question is already given by using binomial distribution, lucky lah for you. But if the question is not mentioned binomial or Poisson, so you need to identify whether that one is binomial or Poisson. Okay, and then the individual trial are independent each other. Okay, let's proceed to the next one. Binomial distribution. So this is a formula for the binomial distribution. Probability of x equal to x, the value you want to find. Okay, NCX. N is a number of trial, x value we want to find, P, probability of success, the power of x times by Q, probability of failure, the power of n minus x. So this one is the formula for binomial distribution, because when the value of x, okay, not in your table, so you need to use the formula. Sebab you punya table, not all value of x akan ada dalam table binomial. So kalau tak ada dalam table binomial, nak tak nak, you must use the formula. But if have in the table, better you guna table direct lah. Sebab dia tak perlu kira apa-apa, just straightforward using the table. Okay, just tengok macam tu je. Okay, tapi kalau tak ada, nak tak nak, you kena guna formula ni lah. Okay, since our quiz or test is open book, so formula awak kena provide sendirilah. Jangan pula nanti tiba-tiba awak pertikaikan kenapa formula tak bagi. Memang tak akan bagilah, awak memang dah ada formula kat rumah. Okay, so make sure awak kena tahu formula ni kat mana, kat mana, kat mana. Memang kita tak akan provide lah. Okay, sebab your test, your quiz, your assignment is open book. Sebab nama pun online. Kalau kita orang tak buat open book pun, belum tentu awak tak buat open. Confirm open juga. So if you open book, so long, ambil masa yang lama, habislah korang masa situ. Okay? So same thing to find binomial in terms of mean, variance and standard deviation. Okay? Mean equal to n times by probability of success. Okay, mu equal to n times p. P is a probability of success. In n is the number of trial. Okay, variance. Variance is sigma square. Sigma square equal to npq. Okay, npq maksudnya times number of trial times probability of success times probability of failure. So you can get variance. How to find standard deviation? We know that standard deviation equal to square root of variance. So you get square root of variance, square root of NPQ, so you can get standard deviation. So this one also a same thing. You kena standby with this formula. Okay? Okay. Example 4. How to find the random variable x as a binomial distribution. Yang ni just revision. Binomial distribution n is equal to 13 and probability of success equal to 0.65. So this one you want to find probability of x equal to 2. Okay, just put in your formula. So 13 C2. 13 is number of trial. Your n C2. Remember how to use your calculator. You must press 13 first and then tekan apa tu C. C shift bahagi. Lepas tu tekan 2. So sama dengan. So you can get 13 CQ. Okay, C2. Okay. Times by 0.5 the power of 2 times by 0.35 the power of 1. So you can get this answer. Okay. Okay. Probability of X greater than equal to 7. So since you want to find probability of X greater than equal to 7, so you must find probability of X equal to 7, probability of X equal to 8 until probability of X equal to 13 because your number of X and is 13. So awak kena kira semua ni start daripada 7, 8, 9, 10 sampai 13. Also same thing by using the same formula so you can get 0.1546. Okay. Okay, example for also same thing times what is mean and standard deviation. So you know that from the previous formula, mean equal to n times p. So your n is 13, your p is 0.65. So 13 times by 0.65, so you can get 8.49. And then you want to find standard deviation. Standard deviation is the square root of NPQ. So you times N 13 times by P 0.65 times by Q 0.35 and then you get the square root. So your answer is 1.7197. Okay. Okay. Example 5. So this one if in terms of paragraph sentence macam ni, usually your question macam ni lah. Group of research conduct an experiment regarding tissue culture and need to plant some trees. After 2 months, some trees were infected with a virus and these trees were grouped as defective. Suppose that the probability of defective trees are 0.03. 0.03 is for the defective. And they take 15 trees. So it means that your n equal to 15. So we know that this one is the binomial. Why binomial? Because your outcome is only 2, which is defective and non-defect. Ada 2 je. Sama ada defect ataupun non-defect. So when 2 outcomes, so we must use binomial distribution. Question A. What is probability that no trees have the virus? Okay, no trees. Maksudnya you want to find probability of X equal to 0. Okay, because no trees. Okay, probability of X equal to 0. So you can get 15C0 times by 0.03 because you want to find have the virus, because have the virus means that it is defected. Defected is 0.03. The probability of success is 0.03 and probability of failure 0.97. This one get from 1 minus this one. So you can get 0.97, and then after you calculate this one, you can get 0.93333. Okay? Okay, B. What is the probability that there are two trees have the virus? Also, a same thing. You want to find have the virus. Bila have the virus means that you are focused on the defective tree. So, probability of success also 0.03, and then probability of failure 0.93. Maksudnya you punya P adalah 0.03, you punya Q adalah 0.97. Soalan B, boleh cari guna table ke? Boleh. Kalau ada kalau dalam table ada, you boleh guna table lah. Okay? Kalau dalam table tu ada value, maksudnya ada soalan ada 15, ada 0.03, ada 0.97. Okay. Kita tengok table statistical table binomial kan. Sebab binomial, it is given to you P. P 0.01, 0.05. But in your question, 0.03. Nah, 0.03, your P. So since in your table, not mention about 0.03, dia hanya ada 0.01, 0.05. So nak tak nak memang awak kena guna calculation. Sebab table ni dia limited sikit. Okay? So nak tak nak untuk soalan ni memang awak kena guna calculation. Tak boleh guna table. Sebab 0.03 tak ada dalam table. Okay? So nak tak nak awak kena guna calculation. Okay? Okay, have two virus. So 15, so you can get 0.0636. Okay. Next. Okay. What is the probability that there are 12 uninfected tree? Ni soalan dia pusing sikit. Dia nak cari 12 uninfected. So, probability of success awak dah bertukar. P awak bukan lagi 0.03. Tapi P awak adalah 0.97. Okay? Sebab dia nak uninfected trees. Probability of success dia kat sini adalah uninfected. Kalau soalan A and B, semua dia nak yang terkena virus. And then terkena virus, probability dia adalah 0.03. Defect trees. Okay? So, bila dia nak uninfected trees, awak kena tukar. Probability of success you adalah 0.97. Probability of failure you adalah 0.03. Dia tertukar macam ni. Okay? So, that's why you kena tengok soalan tu. Okay? Dia nak apa? Okay, what is the success of the question? Okay, bukan dia akan sama sentiasa P dia. P dengan Q tu tak akan sama sentiasa. You kena refer question tu. Okay, so you can get the answer is 0.0085. Boleh? Okay, next exercise. Okay, yang ni. But 10% of workers, okay, 16 years and above in the United States commute to their jobs by carpooling. Okay, carpooling. You randomly select 8 workers. So your N is equal to 8. What is the probability that exactly 4 of them carpool? So yang ni awak nak cari 4 of them. So probability of X equal to 4. Okay. So macam mana kita tahu dia adalah binomial distribution? Sebab dia hanya ada 2 outcome. Whether they carpool or they not carpool. Okay. And then it's given to you carpool. Okay. 10% ni probability dia. 10% the worker in the United States couple. So, yang awak nak cari apa? Exactly 4 of them couple. So, probability of success you adalah 0.1. So, PU adalah 0.1. Why 0.1? Sebab dia sukses untuk couple dan question ni pun bagi couple. Okay? And then, use a table to find the probability distribution. So, awak nak cari probability of X equal to 4. P awak adalah 0.1. So, awak tengoklah table. P 0.1. Nah, ni P 0.1 and then X equal to 4 here. So, your answer is 0.95 at 0.656. Okay? So, your answer is 0.65. Kenapa? Sekejap. Oh, okay. You punya X adalah 8. Okay, tengok. Tadi kita tengok X equal to 4. You kena tengok X equal to 8. So, N X equal to 8 pula. N equal to 8. Tak berat pula ni. Kenapa tak berat? Ni, you kena tengok dulu. You berapa? Yang kita tengok ni N equal to 4. You kena tengok N equal to 8. N, kenapa tak berat? Okay, N equal to 8. Dia duduk sini tadi kan. So, this one. Okay, here. 0.005. Ya Allah. Okay. So, also same thing. So, you must refer N first. N equal to 8. And then, P equal to 0.1. This one is P 0.1. And then, X equal to 4. X equal to 4. This one. So, your answer is 0.005. Okay. One is for binomial. Next, looks on Poisson distribution. Okay, what is Poisson distribution? Poisson distribution is a discrete probability distribution for the counts of events that occur randomly in a given interval of time or space. The probability of observing X events in a given interval is given by this one. Okay, the formula. Probability of X equal to X. You want to find for the X value. Exponent to the power of negative mu times by mu the power of X and divide by X per factorial. Y by mu is the mean. Okay, when we talk about Poisson, it's refer to the mean. Kalau dalam soalan tu ada mean, maksudnya dia adalah Poisson distribution. Okay. Okay, how to find variance? Variance also equal to the mean, and then standard deviation is the square root of your mean. Okay. Okay, so this one straightforward je ni. Poisson distribution with a mean of 0.8 when X equal to 5. So you just substitute dalam formula. Apa? No Fizah. Kenapa? Okay. You tarik dulu apa dia tu. Okay. Exponent the power of negative 0.8 the power of ni. And then times by 0.8 the power of 5 divided by 5 So you can get 0.0012. Poisson bila dia ada mean. Bila ada mean, bila melibatkan mean ataupun average, so dia adalah Poisson distribution lah. Okay. And then dia tak ada number of trial. Dia beza. Number of trial ni n kan. Dia beza dengan binomial. Binomial dia ada number of trial which is n. Binomial mesti kena ada n, number of trial. Poisson dia tak ada n. Okay. Poisson tak ada n ni. Tapi dia ada mu. Okay. Mu adalah mean. Itu Poisson. And then binomial dia mesti kena ada dua probabilities, dua outcome. Okay. Sama ada pass, fail. Success or failure. Itu binomial. Tapi Poisson tak semestinya. Okay, kalau ada mean, ada average tu adalah Poisson lah tu. Okay. Itu beza dia. Kalau dia bagi mean ataupun average, biasanya kita akan guna Poisson lah. Binomial dia tak akan bagi mean. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this one also same thing. Just straightforward je. X less than 4, maksudnya awak kena cari for X equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, sebab dia nak X less than 4. So, you kena cari 0, 1, 2, 3 and then masuk dalam formula, tambah semua sekali tu, you can get the value of probability X less than 4. So, your answer is 0.9909. Okay, looks on the example. The number of certain kind of component will survive a short test are identified by quality control team. The average, tengok dia bagi, the average number of component that will survive is 3. Maksudnya average dia is 3 per test. Per test, average per 3. Average is 3 per test. Okay, so you kena be careful with the tricky question tu. Kadang-kadang dia suruh cari, dia bagi average 3 test. Tapi soalan dia nak per 3 test ke, 3 test ke, 2 test. Ni dia nak per test, 1 test sahaja. So dia tricky. Awak kena faham sikit. Kadang-kadang dia bagi dalam year, tapi dia nak dalam month. Kadang-kadang dia bagi dalam hours, tapi dia nak dalam minute. So you kena be careful sikit. So you kena tukarlah average tu macam mana. Okay. What is the probability that exactly 3 components per test will survive? 3 component per test. So maksudnya awak guna direct je lah. So probability of X equal to 3. Okay, probability of X equal to 3. So how to get it? So and then your mu also is 3. Your mean is 3. So exponent negative 3 times by 3 the power of 3 divide by 3 factorial. So you can get 0.2240. So this one also a same thing. Kalau ada dalam table, so you can use statistical table. Kalau tak ada, nak tak nak, you kena guna formula lah. So, looks on your table. Ada ke tak? Kita check. Okay. Poisson. Poisson, mu equal to 3. Kalau Poisson, you kena cari mu dulu. Kalau binomial, you kena cari n. Dekat sini ada n tadi binomial. Tapi kalau Poisson, you kena cari mu. Mu u equal to 3. Okay. Mu equal to 3. So, ni. Ni. Mu equal to 3. And then your X also equal to 3. So this one, your answer is 0.2240. So kalau ada dalam table, soalan tu tak mention by using table ke, by using formula. So awak guna je lah table. Kalau soalan objektif, kita guna table lah, lagi cepat. Okay, 0.2240 is your answer. So kalau kita tengok pun, your answer is 0.2240. Okay? Okay. B. If 3 tests conduct in parallel. Ni. Tengok. Dia nak 3 tests conduct in parallel. What is the probability of at most 2 component will survive? Dia nak at most 2. At most 2, soalan dia adalah probability of at most. Paling banyak. X less than equal to 2. So, awak kena cari 3 benda ni. 0, 1, 2. Sebab at most 2. 0, 1, 2. Okay? So, mungkin tak kalau manual calculation ada beza dengan table punya value. Ya. Ada kemungkinan beza sikit belakang. Okay? Beza. Biasanya yang kalau 4 decimal places ni belakang ni akan beza. Kalau you guna table dengan calculation. Sebab calculation dia akan bagi banyak, especially kalau you guna calculator scientific you tu, dia boleh bagi sampai berbelah-belah titik perpuluhan. So sah-sah lah akan beza. Akan beza sikit belakang. Okay, so tak ada masalah. Okay. Okay. So this one dia nak 3 test conduct in parallel. So bila dia nak 3 test conduct in parallel, so you punya mu dah akan berubah. Mu you dah akan berubah ni. Dia bukan lagi 3. Sebab 3 adalah per test. Sekarang ni you nak 3 test. So bila 3 test, mu you dah berubah menjadi 9. Bukan lagi 3. Okay? Okay. So bila awak cari, awak akan dapat 0.4232. Awak kena tambah lah. Yang mana? Dalam modul dalam modul tu salah sikit. Okay. Okay. Looks on the exercise. On average, 2 new accounts are opened per day at Imperial Saving Branch. Using statistical table, find the probability that on a given day, the number of new account opened at this bank will exactly 6. Okay. Okay, so you not exactly 6. So exactly 6, probability of X equal to 6. Okay. So, what is your mu? Mu is 2 per day. So, mu equal to 2. So, awak tengok dia punya lambda. So, this one, lambda dengan mu sama je. Mean. So, you look on the statistical table 2. And then, X equal to 6. Your answer is 0.0120. In my slide. Soalan nombor berapa tu? Oh, yang tadi Yang ni Example 7B. Okay. Example 7B. Check your calculation Correct or not. Okay. Your final answer is 0.0062. Okay. Check your calculation again. Thank you, Lim Yuki. Okay. So this one for exercise. Okay. Okay. Last exercise 1. Okay. Survey indicate that 41% of women in the US consider reading their favorite leisure time activity. You randomly select 4 US women and ask them if reading is their favorite leisure time activity. Find the probability that at least 2 of them respond yes. Ni. So yang ni adalah apa ni? Binomial or Poisson? Ini adalah binomial. Sebab awak hanya akan ada 2 outcome sahaja. Yes or no. Sebab dia nak find the probability that at least 2 probability of X greater than equal to 2 said yes. So, probability of success you, probability of indicate that 41% consider reading their favorite leisure time. So, maksudnya 0.1 is your 0.41 is your P. Okay, and then minus 1 minus 0.41. So you can get Q. Okay, so this one, your P is 0.41 and then your Q is 0.59. Okay, so you can get the answer 0.542. Okay, why we stop until 4? Because you have 4 times only. select random for you as woman. Okay. So your final answer is 0.52. Okay. Exercise 2. Okay. So this one straightforward using Poisson probability distribution. So dia dah mention probability which is Poisson. So you kena guna Poisson lah. Exactly 2 breakdown. So you want to find probability of X equal to 2. Okay. Probability of X equal to 2. So you need to find what is your mu. Okay. So read the question. A washing machine is in a laundry breakdowns an average of 3 times per month. Okay, 3 times per month. Using the Poisson probability distribution formula, find the probability that during the next month. Okay, so yang ni dia pun nak dalam month. So you can straightforward using mu equal to 3. Okay. So calculation. So you can get 0.2242. Yang ni better you guna table lah. Lagi mudah. Okay. Most one breakdown. So also same thing. At most one probability of X less than equal to 1. So you kena cari dua benda ni. 0 and 1. Okay. Sebab at most. Okay. So this one you can get 0.1992. Okay. That's all. Any problem?